Learn English vocabulary. Hello everyone, my name is Vinny. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one is a food that we eat. Number two, to go to a movie means to watch a movie at a theater. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer eats nuts every day. Jennifer eats nuts every day. Nuts. Delicious food that grows on trees. Now we can make a flashcard for nuts. Please write nuts up here in the top left corner, N-U-T-S. Down here in the bottom left corner, F-O-O-1. This means food, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 32 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Nuts. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob goes to a movie every Monday. Bob goes to a movie every Monday. He goes to a movie. This means he watches a movie at a movie theater. Now we can make a flashcard for go to a movie. Please make a card like this. Write to go to a movie up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, VID 1. This means verb, idiom, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 31 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Go to a movie. Go to a movie. Game over. You did very well today. What does Jennifer eat every day? Nuts. Very good. What did she eat yesterday? She ate nuts. Correct. And tomorrow we will go to a movie. This means you will go to the movie theater to watch a movie. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Tomorrow, Jennifer and I have an appointment. Very good. At 10 o'clock. Every night I sleep on a mattress. Correct. Double T. And when you don't want to do something, you avoid it. Number 1, appointment, M. Number 2, you sleep on a mattress, M, and avoid, D. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card.